Pride Month is just around the corner, and yesterday I showed you how to layer marshmallows, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare them. I'm going to start by setting up my guitar cutter. As you can see, this tool has two very large parts, and you just need to secure them together. Now that this is all set up, I'm just going to slide my marshmallow onto the base. So now I'm just going to do a little bit of maneuvering because I want to make sure that my marshmallow will line up with the guitar cutter frame. Once that's ready to go, we can begin cutting. In real time, this is a pretty slow process because you're supposed to let gravity cut the marshmallow for you and you're not supposed to put any pressure on the frame. So now the marshmallow is done cutting because I sped up that last clip, but we're going to go ahead and remove the marshmallow, lift up the frame, and then turn the marshmallow, put it back onto the base, and then again adjust it so that it is lined up with the frame. And then we will cut again. And again, we're going to make sure that we're doing this with gravity and not with any pressure from our hands. So again, I'm going to speed this up. This usually will take about 5 minutes to cut. So now I'm just going to quickly grab the marshmallow and move it over to some parchment paper, or at least I'm going to try to grab the marshmallow. All right, so yeah, now I'm just going to go around the marshmallow and remove all of the scraps. So now that all the scraps are removed and everything is pretty cleaned up, we can go ahead and start the very long process of separating all of the marshmallows. So you can see here, I'm kind of just dividing the marshmallows down the middle. And then once these are apart, I will start dipping all of the sides in powdered sugar, separating them again, dipping in powdered sugar. This process just keeps on continuing until we are down to individual marshmallows. As you can see with all these clips, this is a pretty long process, and there's a lot of marshmallow to separate before we are able to start coating all of the marshmallows in powdered sugar and getting them ready for packaging. So I'm just going to show a few more clips of me doing all of this separating and powdering, and then I'm going to just throw them all into a bowl, and once they are all ready to go and powdered, we can start staging them for packaging. So now I'm just going to go ahead and package them. This little monster can that has the top and bottom removed is a funnel that my girlfriend made for me to really make sure that we can get the marshmallows in there without getting powdered sugar on the top of the package. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw all the marshmallows in there and then heat seal. And then that's basically it. We're just going to repeat this process until everything is packaged.